people ask us how we make life on the road work with a toddler in a pickup truck. So instead of just telling you, we figured we'd show you. For Sam and me, it's easy adventuring. But for Eli, it's something else entirely. It's how he's building the memories of his childhood. One campsite, one sunrise at a time. This is a day in our life on the road with our son Eli.
Basically, when we wake up, we roll up the curtains, we open the trunk door, and then we just make the day setup in a few minutes, and then we're ready for the whole day. We brew a little coffee, and then we'll prepare breakfast for the kid and for us, and there we go. Pretty simple. It's a simple life, you know?
When everybody is done eating, we usually flip the bed area into the living area. It allows us to sit, relax, work if needed, or play inside if the weather isn't nice.
I'm doing the dishes while Eli's sleeping. First nap of the day.
We're going to Saguaro National Park. It's gonna be crazy.
We have load everything. Everything's always inside.
Saguaro.
Saguaro.
National Park. How?
Saguaro National Park.
Hurrah! Let's go!
We're stopping for lunch, having a little burger before doing nice hiking. We need a little bit of fat, raw energy.
We don't usually do fast food when we travel, but we heard In-N-Out burgers were quite something. So we figured we'd try the one near our campground, just for fun. Eli seems to like the animal fries quite a lot. Not sure it's a good thing.
Hein? C'est vrai? Il a un petit canal.
On va aller voir Freddy. Let's go.
The world coming in.
That's it.
Waiting for a spot on an angled line. Driving to the outside, wasting my time. Took my place high on the rise. Look at them ants push away their prize. But I'd be free as a bird in a Walmart parking lot. I'm proud to be just who I am. Salute the flag just like Uncle Sam. My Yankee do good without a dime. Work for nothing in their overtime. But I'd be free as a bird
It's time to cook dinner, you know? Tailgate party. Could it get better than this?
I don't think so.
Not really.
For a 1K, matching contributions that they
At the end of the day, it doesn't take much. Sam's cooking dinner on the tailgate, Eli's making new friends everywhere we go, and somehow we're always sharing the best meals with the kindest strangers. This little truck setup, it's probably the best thing we've made for this chapter of our lives. Simple, light, free, and full of the kind of moments we'll actually remember.
A damn good casket when the times get hard, but I'll be free as a bird. A Walmart parking lot. Jobs are scarce, they're hard to find. The kind of job that gives you peace of mind. Mom is gone and Pop's for sure. They went down the road to CEO. I got a plan that won't bring me down. I'm gonna burn that big store down, then I'll be free as a bird. The Walmart parking lot.
Hein, t'as bon wingman?
Good Lord, eh? Personne qui réchauffe la bouffe là. Oh my god, oh my god. Is it good?
It's really good.
It was supposed to be my s'mores though.
Really?
Yeah.
Dat is een broer.